Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to manage Revolut transactions, as direct deletion isn't an option. Revolut's system is designed for financial record integrity, meaning individual transactions cannot be permanently deleted. Instead, you have excellent tools to organize your spending. We'll explore how to hide specific entries or categorize them for a cleaner overview of your finances. To organize your transactions, simply open the Revolut app and navigate to your transaction history. Tap on any specific transaction to bring up its details. Here, you'll find options to either categorize or hide the entry. Categorizing helps you group similar spending, while hiding removes it from your primary view, making your feed much tidier without deleting the record. If you encounter an incorrect or fraudulent transaction, contacting Revolut support is your best course of action. Access the in-app chat feature, which is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Clearly explain your situation, providing all necessary details. While you can't delete transactions yourself, support can investigate and potentially reverse or adjust entries that are genuinely erroneous or unauthorized. Remember, financial institutions like Revolut are legally required to maintain records of all transactions, so direct deletion isn't typically an option. Always make it a habit to review your statements regularly to catch any discrepancies early. Also, for a fresh car, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Exporting your transaction history can also be a smart way to keep personal records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.